Hey, everybody. So a question I want to answer today is you're looking at a project to buy as an investment. And the question is, should you remodel it or should you tear it down and start over? Okay. In some scenarios, this is usually pretty obvious. Okay. If a property is so far beyond repair, a lot of times it is easier to just start over. But there are times where it makes sense to remodel. And there's a number of reasons that drive you one way or the other. But the big one to consider is whenever you're going to start new, it is usually, if not always, going to be a longer process. Why? Because when a property was built and you're going to fix it, it was built to a standard in the past. And even though you're going to bring it up to standard, there's no way to bring everything up to standard in almost every situation because you're dealing with a pre-existing structure. And so what happens is old things get, as you've probably heard the phrase, grandfathered in. So you'll get to do a lot of new things, but you'll still have a little bit of that old flavor left behind. Whereas if you build new, you are literally going to from scratch. First, you got to go through all the rules to demolish your property and all the rules that go with that. Then you got to deal with today's zoning codes, restrictions, building codes, and you got to start everything from scratch. Okay, it just takes more time, it takes more money, it takes more effort, and there's more risk as a result of all these things. Now, it happens every day, so obviously the process works. You just need to know when you're making a decision, remodel versus build, is it going to be worth all the extra work? Okay, there are houses where you can look at it and get to the end of the project and go, you know what, we probably would have been better off remodeling instead of building new, and vice versa. You might remodel a house and been like, wow, would have been easier to just start over. Okay, neither is right or wrong. You just got to dive into some of the details more to figure out which makes sense for your project, because it is not a light decision to make. So hope you found this helpful. Feel free to follow me online, like this video, share, and so forth. And I hope to connect with you at some point in the future. Look forward to hearing from you. Thanks.